Plasma membrane or cell membrane. Cell membrane is also called the plasma membrane. It can be observed only through an electron microscope. Plasma membrane is the outermost covering of the cell that separates the contents of the cell from its external environment. Endocytosis. The plasma membrane is flexible and is made up of organic molecules called lipids and proteins. The flexibility of the cell membrane is also enables the cell to engulf in food and other materials from its external environment. Such processes are known as endocytosis. Endo means internal, cyto means of a cell. Amoeba requires its food through such processes. Diffusion. Plasma membrane is a selectively permeable membrane. The plasma membrane is porous and allows the movement of substance or materials both inward and outward. Some substances like carbon dioxide or oxygen can move across the cell membrane by process called diffusion. Thus, diffusion plays an important role in gaseous exchange between the cells as well as the cell and its external environment. Osmosis. Water also obeys the law of diffusion. The movement of water molecules through a selectively permeable membrane is called osmosis. Osmosis is the passage of water from region of high water concentration through a semi-permeable membrane to a region of low water concentration. Thus, osmosis is a special case of diffusion through a selectively permeable membrane. Unicellular freshwater organisms and most plant cells tend to gain water through osmosis. Absorption of water by plant roots is also an example of osmosis. Thus, diffusion is important in exchange of gases and water in the life of a cell. In addition to this, the cell also obtains nutrients from its environment. Different molecules move in and out of the cell through a type of transport requiring use of energy in the form of ATP. Reverse osmosis is a phenomenon where pure water flows from a dilute solution through a semi-permeable membrane to higher concentration solution. Semi-permeable means that the membrane will allow small molecules and ions to pass through it but act as a barrier to large molecules or dissolved substances.